Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect webhooks to Shopify for real-time dropshipping updates. Quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect webhooks to Shopify for real-time dropshipping updates, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom of the left sidebar. Select notifications from the settings menu. Scroll down to the webhooks section. Click on the Create Webhook button. Choose the event type for which you want to receive updates, such as order creation or product updates. Select the format you prefer for the web. Now, input the URL where you want Shopify to send the webhook notifications. Make sure this URL is publicly accessible and can handle incoming requests. Once you have entered the URL, click Save Webhook. Shopify will send a test notification to your URL. Check your server or application logs to confirm you've received this test data. If everything is configured correctly, you'll start receiving real-time updates based on the event you selected. To manage or delete existing webhooks, return to the webhooks section in your notifications. Click the Edit button next to any webhook to modify its settings. For deletion, select the Delete option. You have now successfully connected webhooks to Shopify for real-time dropshipping updates. This setup will help streamline your dropshipping business by keeping your systems in sync. Regularly check your webhooks to ensure they are functioning as expected. That's how you connect webhooks to Shopify to stay updated in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.